The budget I put before you today is our plan of action for economic renewal. It will bring order and stability to our public finances. It will enhance our productive capacity. It prioritises public investment projects that add to our competitiveness, and while doing all of this, it will protect and support those most in need. Ceann Comhairle, global crisis is an overused phrase in political debate, but it is appropriate in the current circumstances. Crisis presents danger, and today we have taken action to meet the danger. Crisis also brings with it opportunity. Opportunity to reform the way we do our business, opportunity to move on to the next stage in our development as a sophisticated, high-value economy, and opportunity to work together for the best interests of our citizens. This budget serves no vested interest. Rather, it provides an opportunity for all of us to pull together and play our part according to our means so we can secure the gains which have been the achievement of the men and women of this country. Ceann Comhairle, it is no less than a call to patriotic action. It is my great honour to commend this budget to the House.
Irmanisher Lowry, Unrasura, Untapta, Richard Bruton, Taharis Akoi, no major father, Tapta. Deputy Bruton without interruption. Deputy Bruton without interruption.
Thanks, Ceann Comhairle.